Welcome to GeoPlunge. The purpose of this video is to explain how a GeoPlunge tournament works. So if you're a teacher or if you're a volunteer who's new to GeoPlunge, this is a great place to begin. So what is GeoPlunge? In your box of GeoPlunge are 5 sets of cards. Those cards are used in combination to play games of speed, games of trivia, games that require knowledge of U.S. geography. They also require critical thinking, strategic thinking, and communication. So GeoPlunge is played in groups of 3. So if you're a teacher, you're going to want to put together groups of 3. And at a tournament, we generally let schools bring 4 teams. And you might have 2 teams that play combo 1, and you might have a team that plays combo 2 and a team that plays combo 4. It just depends on what you have at your school. During the day of a tournament, we play 20-minute rounds. So during a day, we may play 6 to 8 rounds, and then the best teams play against each other in the championship matches. At the end of the day, we award trophies to the top 2 teams. We also award medals for sportsmanship. So we're looking for teams that are positive and shake hands with other teams and are overall good sports. The reason we call it combo 1 or combo 2 or combo 3 or combo 4 is that at a tournament we play a combination of games. We start by playing border up, then state IQ, then dashing states, play the ranks, and then in combos 3 and 4 only a new game is introduced called Chummy Challenge. So for combo 1 you'll be playing the easiest level of border up and the easiest level of state IQ, whereas in combo 4 you're going to be playing the most challenging version of those games. The best place to learn about the rules for each of our combos is at our website at learningplunge.org. On our website you can learn more about who we are and what we're doing, but our resources tab is filled with information for teachers and for volunteers. Over on the left are our tournament rules. So if you're playing a tournament, this is a great place to download the official tournament rules and also our score sheets. If you're using our GeoPlunge games in a classroom, you might want to look at the game rules for the classroom. These game rules mirror the tournament rules, but the scoring might be a little different because you might be playing, say, state IQ 8 times in a row, whereas in a tournament you'll be playing different games one after the other. We also have lots of lesson plans and also instructional resources, including a pre and post assessment. We would love to have information if you test your students before and after they play GeoPlunge. This is an example of a combo 1 score sheet. So in combo 1, we're keeping score just through wins, losses, and ties. So it's a very simple scoring process. Combos 2 through 4 becomes a little more complex. We have cheat sheets on how to score all of our combos. This is an example of what a combo 2 cheat sheet looks like. It explains how we award points, some of the different rules, and then it also provides an example of how a score sheet would look filled in. So if you're preparing for a tournament or if you're volunteering, this is a great place to look. We also, if you're volunteering at a tournament, we'll provide this information for you, but if you want to look at it ahead of time, that's very helpful. A great place to learn the different games is through our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is called GeoPlunge. When you go to the GeoPlunge channel, you notice we have a couple of playlists already created up top. But you can also click on videos, and that will show you all of our videos, including testimonials from coaches, instructions on how to play the games, how to use our score sheets, and several other videos that are available. On our playlists, if you're just getting started, this Getting Started Level 1 is a really good place to begin, especially looking at our video called GeoPlunge Intro, which explains all the different cards and the information that we find on them. If you have questions, please reach out to us at info@learningplunge.org. We can provide game rule clarifications. If you need a resource that you don't see on our website, we would like to prepare one for you. If you know any volunteers who can help us, please send us their name, and just any general feedback would be welcome. Thanks for playing GeoPlunge, and we look forward to seeing you at our next tournament. Ready, set, GeoPlunge.